Good afternoon, all of you. Let us start. So, in day before yesterday, we have see the topic. Yes. Beta function. So we see the example on that phase first and phase first. Now we see that another example, right on the example based on integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p theta into cos raised to q theta or d theta. Yes, what is the answer? Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to p theta into cos raised to q theta. Yes. Yes. माहित असेल तर सांगा, नसेल माहिती मी सांगतो. Okay. Is the result is
plus 1 by 2 and q plus 1 by 2.
1 by 2 beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. This is the result. Okay. Same result we can applicable here. So we see the example first. U all it. Integration 0 to pi by 6 sin square 6 theta into cos raised to 6 theta, cos raised to 6 theta theta or better we can take simple one. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin cube theta into cos raised to 4 theta d theta. So let I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin cube theta into cos raised to 4 theta d theta. What is the I? Sorry, what is the P? Just we are comparing the above equation. Now note this thing. There is some rule to apply this rule. There is some important point when you apply this point. So what is the important point to be remember? That point to be remember is first point is angle must be same. Angle same आहे का? Yes. Second point is limit is pi by 2. These 2 points to be remember. First point is angle must be same, and second point is limit is pi by 2. There in both condition, here both condition is satisfied. So we are just p is equal to 3 and q is equal to 4. So just calculate the I equal to 1 by 2 beta of 3 plus 1 by 2 plus 4 plus 1 by 2. So we calculate I equal to 1 by 2. Beta of 4 by 2 is 2. 5 by 2. We got the answer. Okay. If you want to calculate this answer, then calculate or put as it is. Put as it is. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. तुम्हाला पुढे कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं कॅल्क्युलेट करा का ऍज इट इज राहून द्या डिपेंड ऑन यू. We go to the next example. Hello.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. Lecture चालू आहे. Lecture चालू नंतर कॉल करतो. हाँ. Yes. Second example, evaluate integration 0 to pi by 6 sin square 6 theta into cos raised to 6 3 theta d theta. Solution I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin square 6 theta into cos raised to 6 theta. Now note this thing. आपल्याला फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय करायच्या आधी काय काय चेक करायचं रे?
थीटा आणि 0 to pi by 2 लिमिट.
म्हणजे अँगल आणि
लिमिट पाय बाय 2 आहे का?
पाय बाय 2 पाहिजे. दोन्ही पण या ठिकाणी नाहीये. बरोबर आहे का? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लिमिटचं करता येईल. लिमिटचा काही इश्यू नाहीये. पहिल्यांदा अँगल सेम करायचा प्रयत्न करा. अँगल सेम केलं ना ऑटोमॅटिक लिमिट पण येतात. सो अँगल सेम कसे करायचे? सो आय इक्वल टू इंटिग्रेशन 0 to pi by 6. त्याला दोन्हीला सेम कसं करणार? यस यस साइन
थीटा
हाँ
sin 2 थीटाचा फॉर्म्युला वापरायचा. sin
ओके ओके. सो ह्या साइनला काय करा आधी? साइनला आपण असं लिहू शकतो 2 into 3 theta. बरोबर आहे का?
yes
2 into 3 theta. And use the result of sin 2 theta. We got that I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 6. We got that 2 times sin 3 theta into cos 3 theta raised to 2 into cos raised to 6 3 theta d theta. We got the I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 6. Just we are squaring on both sides. 4 sin square 3 theta cos raised to 2 3 theta into cos raised to 6 3 theta. Now just combine the similar term. I equal to 4 is a constant. We can take outside. Integration 0 to pi by 6 sin square 3 theta into cos raised to 8 3 theta. Okay. Then next. Here angle is same? No. So we are trying to put 3 theta is equal to t. This implies, yes, this implies theta equal to t by 3. So this implies d theta is equal to dt by 3. As angle same, sorry, as limit change, sorry, variable change, limit also change, theta to t, 0 to pi by 6. Far. So when we put theta equal to 0, so 0 equal to t, t equal to 0. When we put theta is equal to pi by 6, 3 into pi by 6 is equal to t. So this implies t is equal to
pi by
2. So I just change the limit. We just change the limit. We got the answer. Okay, we got the answer. I equal to 4 times integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to cube t into cos raised to 8t d theta is equal to what? dt by t. So we got that I equal to 4 by 3 into 1 by 2 beta of p plus 1 3 plus 1 by 2 8 plus 1 by 2. Calculation चांगले असतील तर डायरेक्ट केला तरी चालेल. No problem. So we got that I equal to 2 by 3 into beta of 2 9 by 2. You got the answer. Or if you want to simplify, the simplify answer is 7 pi by 384. If you want to simplify, then we can simplify this question. तुम्हाला वाटलं तर simplify करा. Depend on you. Okay, कळालं सगळ्यांना?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Very good.
सर तिथे sin square 3 theta येते ना?
कुठे हो?
4 integration 0 to pi by 6 sin cube theta लिहिले तुम्ही.
Sin cube कुठे दिलं मी?
हा खालची स्टेप त्याच्या.
हा 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 हा. चुकलं की हो मग सगळं. Yes, thank you. Here is sine square theta. Here is sine square t. Here is 2 plus 1 by 2. Here is 1 by 2.
थ्री बाय टू.
हा 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 3 by 2. काय होतं कंटिन्यू लेक्चर घेतलं ना असं होतं बरं का. आता एक कंटिन्यू लेक्चर चालू आहे त्याच्यामुळे होत असं. असून द्या असून द्या. हे बघा तुम्ही हुशार मुलं आहेत, समजून घेतात मला, त्याबद्दल तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं थँक्यू. हुशार मुलं आहेत तुम्ही सगळे ना, नाहीतर बाकीचे समजून नसतं घेतलं बाकीच्यांनी. Similarly, we go to third example. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to 10 theta deta. I is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to 10 theta deta. So what is the p value? 10. What is the q value?
0.
0.
0. So we got that I equal to 1 by 2, beta of 11 by 2, 1 by 2. We can easily find the answer using this way. Similarly, integration 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4 theta deta. So what is the answer? Is equal to, what is the answer? 1 by 2 beta of p kitire? P kiti?
0.
0.
1 by 2 and q 4 pi by 2. We can easily find the answer. We can easily find the answer. With these two examples for your hard work. ओके झालंय, पुढे जायचं.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The seventh one. Seventh one example. You already integration from 0 to infinity dx divided by 1 plus x square raised to 5 by 2. Yes, how we solve? How we solve? Let I is equal to integration 0 to infinity dx by 1 plus x square raised to 5 by 2. एकच्या काय काढलं लागेल आपल्याला? कुठला फॉर्म्युला आहे का आपल्याकडे? यस. If there is any result, if there is any result to solve such an example, is there any result we have solved such an example? Yes. Okay. I think you don't know. So there is no such a result. We try to convert in terms of standard result by substituting some value. So what do you put x equal to? What do you put x equal to? X equal to sine theta. If you put x equal to sine theta, then we got that 1 plus sine square theta. No result. If you put x equal to cos theta, 1 plus cos square theta, there is no result. Then you have put x equal to tan theta. Yes, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So dx equal to a derivative of tan theta, sec square theta theta. As variable change, limit also changes. X to t, 0 to infinity. When x equal to 0, okay, so we are asked to find theta, na? So theta is equal to tan inverse of x. When you put x equal to 0, tan inverse of 0. When your value of tan is 0 at the angle 0, then theta is equal to tan inverse of, then next infinity. When the angle infinity at the angle pi by 2. So you got that 0 to pi by 2. So just we change integration from 0 to pi by 2. Dx equal to sec square theta theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta raised to pi by 2. So just simplification, I equal to integration 0 to pi by 2. Integration 0 to pi by 2 is sec square theta theta 1 plus tan square equal to what?
Sec
Sec
square
square
theta.
theta raised to pi by 2. Just rearrange laws of indices. We use square get cancel. We are remaining is just sec raised to
Theta.
phi theta theta. Then 1 upon sec square get cancel again. We got that 1 upon
Sec cube
sec
theta.
cube theta. 1 upon sec cube is
Cos cube.
cos cube theta. Very good. Cos cube theta. Now use the result that we know. Use the result that we know. What is the answer?
1/2 b
1/2 theta.
Oh,
1/2
1/2 beta of
1/2
by 2.
4/2.
We got the answer. We got the answer. Okay, just to simplify, we got the answer is 2 by 3. Simplify करून पहा 1 by 2 into root pi into 1 divided by 1 by 2 plus 2 म्हणजे 4 by 4 5 by 2 5 by 2 म्हणजे किती 3 by 2 1 by 2 into root pi get cancel त्याला simplify करा 2 4 4 divided by 2 3 2 2 we got the answer 2 by 3 इधर है answer. Eight one integration 0 to infinity dx by 1 plus x square raised to 9 by 2 or 7 by 2. 7 by 2. The answer is 8 by 15. That's all the same way. Ninth one. Integration 0 to infinity x divided by 1 plus x raised to 6 dx. What do you take here? X square, huh? That is x square. झालं पुढे जायचं हॅलो integration 0 to infinity x divided by 1 plus x square raised to 6 dx. Tenth one. Okay. 10th one. X raised to 8 integration 0 to infinity x raised to 8 into 1 minus x raised to 6 divided by 1 plus x raised to 24 dx. Solution. I is equal to integration 0 to infinity. पहिल्यांदा आपण सिम्प्लिफाय करू. x raised to 8 divided by 1 plus x. 1 plus x raised to 24 dx plus अगर माइनस घेऊ कारण की ते माइनस आहे. Minus integration 0 to infinity x raised to 14 divided by 1 plus x raised to 24 dx. Yes, how we solve this integration now? We cannot put the x equal to something tan theta, cos theta, or what it may be. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. माहित नसेल तर सांगतो. We know that integration from 0 to infinity x raised to m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to m plus n dx is equal to beta of mn. Use this result. So use this result. I equal to integration 0 to infinity. I equal to integration 0 to infinity. We write down that in terms of 1 plus x raised to चला m minus 1 म्हणजे काय लिहू शकतो आपण 9 minus 1 plus 9 plus किती 24 9 plus किती 24 15 dx minus integration 0 to infinity x raised to 15 minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to 15 plus किती 24 9 dx. Using this result, we are write down this equation is equal to what? Beta of 915 minus beta of 15.9. But we know that. What do we know that? Beta mn equal to what? Beta of nm. By using this result, we write down that I equal to beta of 915 minus beta of 915. So get cancelled. We are remaining is answer is 0. The remaining answer is 0. Clear? Hello, hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
very good, very good. अब मागची MCQ प्रॅक्टिस केली ना रे. असाइनमेंट तिसरी सबमिट करू नका बरं का. तुम्हाला आणखीन हे द्यायचंय DOI चे 6 एक्झाम्पल देतो आणि मग सबमिट करा. मंगळवारपर्यंत सबमिट करा. आपलं आजच संपलं युनिट संपलं असतं. काल लेक्चर नाही झालं त्याच्यामुळे. काल लेक्चर झालं असतं आज युनिट संपलं असतं आपलं. पुढे जाऊ.
Yes, sir.
One. Integration 0 to infinity x raised to 5 into 1 plus x raised to 4 divided by 1 plus x raised to 6 dx. So just simplify. I equal to integration 0 to infinity, just separate this. X raised to 5 divided by 1 plus x raised to 6 dx. Sorry, the 16 पाहिजे. Sorry. Answer सुटणारच नाही आपल्याला. Raised to 16 raised to 16 plus integration 0 to infinity x raised to 9 divided by 1 plus x raised to 16 dx. Just simplify. I equal to integration 0 to infinity x raised to 6 minus 1 1 plus x raised to 10 plus 6 dx plus integration 0 to infinity x raised to 10 minus 1 1 plus x raised to 10 plus 6 dx. So we got that the I equal to beta of m is 6 and n is 10 plus beta of m is 10 and n is 6. So we just add on that I equal to beta of 16 plus beta of 16. Using the result I is equal to 2 times beta of 16. Just we calculate the beta of 16 2 times 5 factorial into 9 factorial divided by 15 factorial. Just we simplify. I equal to 2 times 5 factorial is 24, 9 factorial is no factor assist to है. Then 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. No factorial. Just we simplify. Just we simplify. Yes. 12 दूनी 24, 2 3 पंचे 10 बेसाती 14 इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन 15 गुणुले 7 गुणुले 13 गुणुले 11 गुणुले 5 बरोबर उत्तर किती हे तुम्ही कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं. कॅल्क्युलेट करताना समथिंग डिवाइड बाय समथिंग हे आन्सर असलं पाहिजे. पूर्णांक मध्ये आन्सर लिहायचं नाही. अपूर्णांकामध्ये आन्सर असलं पाहिजे. हे तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहित असेलच. मी तुम्हाला आधी सांगितलं आहे.
75,075.
हा जे काय आन्सर आला असेल 75,075. ओके जस्ट वेट. ओके 75,075. 1 डिवाइडेड बाय 75,000 हजार का.
हाँ 750.
ओके जे काय आन्सर असेल ते लिहा. ओके झालंय मित्रांनो? हॅलो.
येस सर.
ओके ओके ओके. सगळ्यांना झाले लिहून? कोणाचं राहिलंय? कोणाचं राहिलंय का? सगळ्यांना झालंय?
झालं सर.
ओके. So this is the end of this is the end of beta function. Okay, day before yesterday we have seen the some example on beta function. Then after that on Monday we tried to complete the topic beta function and gamma function.
Sir,
Yes, Reshma.
sir, assignment
Yes.
number असाइनमेंट मधील क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सांगणार म्हटलं होतं सर.
हा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 चं काय पाहिलंच नाहीये मी. तुम्हाला टाकतो, ग्रुपवर टाकून देतो.
येस सर.
ओके, बाकी कुठला काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही ना?
नाही सर, असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट झाले. सबमिट कधी करायची?
नाही, मी सांगितलं की असाइनमेंट सबमिट करू नका म्हणून सांगितलं की. 6 क्वेश्चन राहिलेत आपले आणखीन. DI चे 6 क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला देतो आज मी.
ओके सर.
DI चे 6 क्वेश्चन झाल्यानंतर असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट होईल आपली. साधारण एक आपले मंगळवारी तुम्ही असाइनमेंट सबमिट करू शकता. ओके. ISC चा पेपर आहे, कधीपासून ISC? हॅलो,
15
15 सांगितली का?
15 5
माझ्या माहितीनुसार 5 पासून असेल.
येस सर. 5 जुलैपासून आहे.
5 पासून असेल ISC. टाइम
हा
टेबल.
सर 5 पासूनच आहे.
हा, टाइम टेबल भेटलं तर मी तुम्हाला सांगतो, शेअर करायला सांगतो. हा, ओके. जस्ट वी सी दॅट टाइम टेबल. मला पण सापडत नाही सध्या. जस्ट वेट. ओके. आज टाकायला होतो ग्रुपवर सगळ्यांना, टेलिग्रामवर टाकायला होतो. ISC सोमवारपासून आहे. पहिले 2 युनिट आहेत, डिफरन्शियल इक्वेशन आणि इन्फानाइट सिरीज. हे 2 युनिट आहेत. ओके. सो टुडे वी स्टॉप हियर. एनी प्रॉब्लेम देन आस्क मी, अदरवाइज वी आर एंड आवर टॉपिक, वी आर लेक्चर. ओके. हॅलो, काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे का?
नो सर.
Okay, thank you for connecting. Thank you very much. Thank you. You can leave a meeting.